So hey friends, last weekend when we were camping at Lake Murray, one of the folks that was hanging with us was a guy named Bobby, and he's got a four-wheel drive Jeep that is just awesome. He likes to take it up to the mountains and go on all the Jeep trails and stuff. Well, he recently got a little trailer that he can pull behind his Jeep for when he goes on these expeditions. It's called an InTech Flyer. I can't remember exactly what it's called, but in the video it'll give you more information on that. And he seems to really like it so far. So what he has is a 2017, and I recently watched a video from Blind Views who was explaining that, you know, when you drive a brand new RV or trailer off the lot, you immediately lose like 20 or 30% of its value the second those tires cross the exit of the RV park. So I think Bobby is very, very smart. He got this 2017, and the guy who owned it had only used it like once or twice and then decided that wasn't for him. Had it in his garage ever since. So it's virtually a brand new trailer for a fraction of the cost, actually. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Check this little trailer out. It is so cute, and it's got like everything he needs. I wish him lots and lots of fun with it in the future. I know he's going to have a blast with it. So thank you, Bobby, very much for letting me take this tour, and thank you guys for watching. Y'all stay lost, my friends. So Bobby's kind enough to give us a tour of his rig here. What kind is it?
It's a InTech Max Flyer, or today they're called a Flyer Pursue.
Awesome.
It's 13 feet long, 63 inches tall to the top of the rack. It has 5 foot by 8 foot of room inside, by 4 foot tall.
Cool. So it's pretty easy to get around in when you're in there? So yeah, you probably don't spend a ton of time in there.
It's just to sleep in.
Yep. So what is this sticking out the side here?
This is the kitchen. Slides in and out.
Wow. Just that easy.
Got a 2-burner stove.
Is that a Dometic?
And then a Dometic stove and Dometic fridge freezer. Storage under here.
Nice. Do you know if all that came with the original or just...
Yeah, this is all standard stuff on it.
Cool.
And,
nice.
fridge freezer.
Fridge freezer. Yeah, and that
this table actually goes right here when you're going down the road.
Uh-huh.
It sets up right here.
Cool. And you got your little propane there.
20-gallon propane.
Nice. Fan blow.
Inside. Screen.
That's great. Cool.
I'll just do this. So turn on some lights.
No, that's sweet.
And
Very
inside
nice.
you got the bed, either a single bed or it's 2 mattresses. You can cover the whole floor.
Uh-huh.
Sleep 2 people.
Sweet. Yeah, you've got room for stuff, and oh my goodness, that air conditioner.
It's heat and air, plus it has the max fan.
Uh-huh.
The nice thing about the max fan, you can have it up and vent your trailer out while you're going down the road.
Cool.
And rain doesn't get in it.
Nice.
And then 2 windows, 1 on each side.
Uh-huh. And then this cool little awning. So you were saying you can get the parts that'll go down and make this into a screen, or?
Yeah, you can make this into a screened-in porch or extra room.
Pretty sweet.
The back opens it up. It has a screen also.
Oh, so nice.
And then in this blue bag is another tent that attaches to the back to give you another room.
That's so cool. Do you ever put that up?
Out at Lake Fork I've had it up.
Uh-huh. Very neat. I love it.
The nice thing is with the AC on and this open,
Uh-huh.
as long as the direct sun's not on it,
Yeah.
it keeps that cool too.
That's awesome.
But other than that, it's got 12 volt power, 30 amp shore power, and then it's also prepped for solar. You just have to buy the solar panel and plug it in.
It's got a battery and everything ready for it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
battery,
awesome.
Everything's already there.
Just need a panel.
Yeah, so when you plug in the shore power, it's charging up the 12 volt system. Or if you plugged in the solar panel, it would charge it up.
Very cool.
And it also has a Jensen Bluetooth stereo.
Oh yeah?
So
that's nice.
Great, and listen to your music all night.
So you pull this behind your Jeep and take it to places like Utah, or have you done that yet?
I would have taken it to Utah if I had it at the time.
Oh, okay.
But it'll make many trips down to Wolf Caves and Mason. And it's already been out to Lake Fork twice and then up here. So.
Cool. Well, I wish you many awesome trips in it. Hopefully,
I'm ready for it to cool off some so we can go do some boondocking and free camping in it.
Yeah, for sure.
Lots
very
of fishing.
Cool. Yeah.
Eventually I want to put a kayak on top of it to go kayak fishing.
That's awesome. Yep, a solar panel and a kayak, and you are ready for anything.
And then a TV, so keep my wife happy. Get her to come with me.
Awesome. Well, thank you for showing that.
You bet.
Hopefully we'll see you at Lollapalooza.
Hope so. I'm planning on it.
Awesome.